I'm bringing my fiance and stepdaughter here next month from Dominican Republic on a K-1. Should I expect any delays at the airport coming through immigration and customs? Very good question. It's not one that folks ask very often, but when I went through the process with my wife, when I brought her to the United States, we were held up for almost a couple hours. When you go through CBP, Customs Border Protection, and you come through the port of entry, one of the officers are going to call the alien beneficiary, that's the foreign fiance, and the stepdaughter into a room, and they're basically going to interview them. They're going to collect their documents. Your fiance will be carrying a package, and that's the petition, a medical exam, the passport, everything's all in there. Well, you've probably pulled your passport out in order to travel. But you're going to hand over these documents, and they're going to ask some questions, and the whole process, takes about a couple hours because there's other folks that are being inspected as well. And so I would expect a few hours delay time. And I remember we cut it pretty close getting on the airplane because we had to go through security, and the security line was about half hour to 45 minutes. So we were the last ones to board the plane because we were the last ones to be interviewed. So I would expect at least a couple hours. If that's going to cause any problems, you may want to contact the airlines in advance and just discuss that because they've dealt with it quite a few times, obviously. And I'm not familiar with the airport that you're going through, so you may even contact them or maybe research online. Again, that's probably not our area of expertise there. We primarily focus on the visa side of things, not so much being a travel agent or anything. But I hope that helps.
Yeah, bottom line is, if possible, try not to have a tight connection at the point of entry because you're not going to just go to the booth, show your passport, and walk on through. It doesn't happen that way when you're entering on these visas. You will have a packet of papers. You will get called back. You may have to wait in line when you're called back to that room. So you will need extra time. So if you've got a 30-minute, even a 45-minute connection, you're probably not going to make it. So give yourself a couple of hours. You need a break anyway after that long flight.
If you found this video useful, it would mean a lot to us if you could hit the like button and comment below to let us know what you think. You can also ask your own immigration questions in the comments below. If you want to make sure not to miss any of our future videos, we invite you to subscribe here on YouTube and be sure to click the notification icon so you can be alerted whenever we publish a new video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook where you can watch our regular immigration Q&A live streams.